number 1. If 5 men can finish a job in 10 days, in how many days can 2 men do the same job at the same rate? So, 5 tao kayang tapusin ng isang trabaho ng 10 days. How about kung 2 men lang ang magtatapos ng trabaho at the same job and same rate din? So, let's apply the formula. So, K equals YX and Y equals K over X and X equals K over Y. So wala si constant. So, let's find a constant. Let's simplify this. K equals 5 multiplied by 10. So, 5 times 10, K equals 50. So, since nakuha na natin si constant ay 50. Ngayon, yung isa naman, si Y. Si Y ay 2 men. So, we're looking for the X. And this X is the days. Kung ilang araw nila matatapos ang work na natapos ng 5 men sa 10 days. So, let's apply the formula. K over Y. So, 50 over 2. So, X equals